Hi there, so here's Wombo.ai app which recently got pretty viral. So it takes basically your selfie and then lip syncs them with audio, popular songs. You can go to premium button in top right, and then in the bottom you have here restore. So you can just tap on restore and basically yeah uh, Wombo.ai app will try to automatically find any purchases as associated with your account. So there you have it. So yeah, if for example, what is that? If, for example, if you purchased Wombo Premium on your previous phone, you changed your phone, but now you download Wombo AI app, and yeah, it's again on a free plan. So you don't need to pay another time. You just go to log in first to your Apple ID, tap restore in the bottom, and Wombo AI will automatically recognize that you already are a member, and then you will get a premium experience. That's how it works. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe and become a member on MrHack.io website.